Have you ever had a situation where you try to connect your Google account or Gmail or Drive account with make.com and you end up in infinite errors? Don't worry, I had been that same situation. So now today in this video we are going to see a tutorial on how to connect Gmail or even Drive account in make.com. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here I have a Gmail module and I'm going to try to connect this Gmail module with a personal Gmail account. So this is the error you will get when you try to connect your personal Gmail account or personal Google account. So we're going to remove this restriction and make it as connection. So to connect this, click here and go to this guide. So this guide will explain us all we want. So these are the 5 main steps to connect Google account. First you should create a Google Cloud Platform project. So that go down and here you can see that Google Cloud Platform. Click this and it will go take you to the console.googlecloud.com. So here click agree and here click select a project on left side and click new project and then name a project. Just name anything in your mind. Give it a name and click create. It's creating my project. Let's wait for a while. Yeah, it's created. So select a project and click here. So now we are on our project. So next we have completed the first step and the second one is enable APIs. So go to the API, click here navigation menu, go to API and then enables API. You get me right? Click on the 3 dots, enable APIs and then API in service and then enable APIs. And here you'll see a button like enable APIs and services. Click that button and come again, type Gmail, click Gmail API and click enable. So now it's trying to enable Gmail API. So notification is loading. So yeah, we now enabled status enabled. You can see here the Gmail API status is enabled. And now again go to API and then next search for Google Drive. You will get this Google Drive API and then click enable. Now we are enabled 2 products like Gmail and Google Drive. We have successfully enabled. So now we should go to configure. So we should now go to OAuth consent screen. So for that, come down and you will see the 4th option as OAuth consent screen. Click that. Okay, it says that OAuth consent screen is changing this payment. Okay, we'll go to new experience and then say, because when I'm publishing this video, then you'll get a new interface. So it's better to get started with new. I'm going to get started. It's almost the same, it's just the interface, the UI is different. Click, give an app name. Give any app name, it doesn't really matter. and then give the support email, click next. And internal and external. Internal means like when you have a Gmail account with your domain, like if you have a business and if you have a specific domain with your Gmail, then you should click internal. But if you have a personal account, then you should click external. So I have a personal account, and so I'm clicking external, and then give next. Okay. After that, after giving the email, click next and agree, and then create. Okay, we have now completed the first step of the OAuth, and the second one is in branding. Okay, first one is overview, and the second one is branding. You can see the branding here. Click branding, go to the downside, and in add domain, give make.com and integromat.com. Integromat is nothing but the uh, name of the make.com before rebranding. So yeah, so after giving these two things, click save. Branding changes saved. Okay, now you should go to in data access section. You can see down here. First we completed overview, branding, and then data access. Add or remove scopes. Scopes is nothing but the accessibility of the Gmail. So click add scope and click row pages up to 100. We'll just give all the permissions to this, and then click update, and then click save. Okay, data access changes have saved. So now we are going to create your credentials. So now we are going to create credentials to get the client ID and client secret, which is the two things we are going to give it in make. So after data access, click clients to get the client ID. You can see the create client. Click that. When we click clients and when we try to click create client, it shows like to create an OAuth client ID, you must first configure the consent screen. But we already have done this. But what they try to see, we have done make.com integrate, all is good. But what they are telling is go to verification center. Just click here, and then come here, prepare for verification, and then click create OAuth console. So you don't actually need to verify yourself, but they just want to aware yourself. So go that side, like go like come with me, so that you will get what I mean. So after application type, click web application, and then add URL and authorize the redirect to URLs. So it will be, you can see the, so in credentials we have given the web applications and the name, update the name, and the authorized redirect URL is just copy this, so copy this and then paste it here, and then click here. Okay, and then click create. OAuth client is created. Wow, amazing. So this is client ID. Okay, when you want to edit, just click here, and then you will get the two client ID and also the client secret. So that's it, guys. We have completed. So establish the connection in make. So now we are going to make the connection in make.com. So go here, client ID, copy this. Sorry, this is the client ID. So entire thing. Go here, client ID and client secret, copy, paste it, and then click sign in with Google. It's waiting for connection. Click the account which you have signed in with make.com. It will say back to safety, but click advanced and continue if you understand the risk and trust the developer, and then go to integromat.com. So give that and then click continue, and then just tick the boxes which they ask to allow. So yeah, ta-da! You have until July 15, 2025 to reauthorize. Okay, the date today is January 15, and we have till July 15. It's February, it's April, May, June. Like they are giving 5 months, and after 5 months we should reauthorize it. And now we are good to go. We can select all the modules, and like we'll just verify it once. Watch emails. Okay. Criteria, all mails. You get okay from first mail. You click this, okay, and run this. And here we go. So yeah, the automation completed successfully. So if you feel this video is helpful to you, make sure you subscribe my channel. So I'll be uploading more AI automations video in it. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.